Hi everybody, welcome. So glad you can spend some time with me and my sleepy sidekicks. Zena's here and she is awake right now. Wyatt's here too. I'm gonna say hi. Can you say hi? Yeah. So we do unboxings and try-ons and reviews and puppy dog unboxings sometimes, right Zena? That's your favorite. So today I have for you a FabFitFun seasonal lifestyle sub box unboxing. Yes, I like FabFitFun. I think it is a great sub box. It is seasonal. It's $49.99 and you get lots of fun goodies in here. I think I have dog hair in my mouth. So you do fill out a profile. So you do get things based on how you complete your profile. I know sometimes there is a lot of overlapping and everyone sometimes gets the same things, but it does vary because you can ask for things that relate to your lifestyle. So if you like to cook or you like to read, things like that. So there are whole sections of the profile that I did not, didn't click on because that's maybe not my preference. So let's dig in and see what is in my box. All right, so here's the inside. I like how it says on the inside of the box, find your cozy. Very nice. Okay, and the very first thing you always get is a magazine that comes with your box. This is their winter edition box, and it has some articles in here and covers some fun things that tells you like cooking videos, some winter box videos and other ideas on how to use some of the products in the box. I will share my link down below. This tells you about getting $10 off your first box and gives you a code, but if you use my referral link, you also get $10 off your first box. So I will share that down below. So let's dig in. This looks like some fun stuff. Check this out. And it is only $49.99, and these are full-size type products and goodies. So first thing by Bear Paw. This looks fun. I like how it said cozy. So Bear Paw is known to be cozy, right? Oh, check this out. So this is a ear warmer, head warmer, right? Nice and cozy. Sherpa on the inside, sweater on the outside. Love that. And it came with the fingerless gloves, but they're also the mitten covers, like, you know, covers your fingers. Love that. Love that. Yeah. Bear Paw by Bear Paw. So cute. Okay. Next. These are over-the-knee textured Rich or Poor socks. So I got something by Rich or Poor in another box. I'm trying to think, was that my Bad Habit Boutique? I don't know, Rich or Poor. I'm thinking I did get something. So check these socks out. Very cool. These would be nice with over-the-knee boots. Very cool. Okay, so far I'm liking everything. Next up, check this out. Mark and Graham. This is a blanket. This is a Williams-Sonoma brand. They offer, this is Mark and Graham. We offer a curated selection of beautifully crafted gifts to celebrate all the moments and people in your life. I haven't heard of them before, so. What size is this blanket? I don't want to do it all. It's 50 inches by 60 inches. So that's huge. This is acrylic and acrylic fabric. So this is a really nice blanket. It feels super soft, like a sweater material. And it looks like it is tan on the outside and like an off-white on the inside. If you guys can see that. But it is a sweater material. Or a sweater feeling, right? Love that. I was like blankets in the winter. All right, next up, this is Elevate. 2 essential oils, eucalyptus and sweet orange with fractioned coconut and jojoba oil. So let me stick, this is the box, sorry. And there are 2 different vials in here. So, sweet orange, 100% natural essential oil. So there's 2 different bottles in here. So that one was the sweet orange. I'm going to drop this one. And this is eucalyptus. Oh yeah, smells good. All right. Let's see, what's next? There's still so much more in here. I gotta get moving, right? Okay, what else is in here? Zena doesn't seem interested at all. I think she's figured out this is not a bark box. Okay, next, Thrive Cosmetics highlighting stick. This is for a brilliant eye brightener. So check this one out. I love this. That must be the color. You guys can see that. It's a full size. Oh, I love that. That's good for my coloring too. So just an eye brightener. Love it. I will use that. Ahava Hydration Cream Mask. This is great too. You can always use that, especially in the winter, a hydration cream mask, right? That's cool. All right, next by Black. Do you think that's how you say it? Eye mask, hyaluronic acid. Late nights, too many cheeky wines, and let's not forget those carb delights can have our peepers looking, well, not so fresh. Leave the evidence of last night behind and pop on our activated charcoal eye mask to depuff, detox, and get back to your shiny, gorgeous self. So it seems pretty easy. You cleanse your skin and then remove the film. Cleanse your skin and eye area. Remove the film before gently applying the mask about 1 centimeter below the eye area. Leave your eye mask to work its magic for 10 to 15 minutes before peeling it off. And then continue your bright-eyed ways. Okay. There you go. That sounds interesting. Next is by Bite Beauty lipstick. Check this color out. Ooh, that's not bad. That looks like a nude. Okay, guys, I'm trying on a nude shade. I like nudes. Not bad. Not bad at all. I was worried it was going to be like bright red or something. But I don't think it's bad. What color is this one? This is called Meringue by Bite. I think it's nice. All right. Next, by Halston. I think this is some sort of a little bag. We're almost to the end. This is a lot of cool stuff, I think. So this is by Halston. It's like a gold shimmery color. And it's like a little portfolio here. So check that out. What are they calling this? It doesn't really say, sorry. It doesn't really say. It has all these little hooks here and here, including at the bottom. I feel like you could put like, could you put like your, I don't know, iPad or something, or a notebook, or there's like all different kinds of things that you can try to snap down. There's even like a zipper pocket here, which you could slide your phone in if you wanted to, right? Yeah. So you could almost, I don't know, it's like a little portfolio. You could put a little notebook in here. It zips up on 3 sides. It's very cute. Just looking, does the little magazine go through everything that comes in here? I was curious. I don't know if I've ever read the whole magazine. Anyway, I don't see that. All right, I won't take the time now. I was just curious if it showed what that was specifically used for. All the little compartments are so cool. Oh, well, here's the, it does show you how you can style the, isn't that cute? How you can style the bear paws. I like that. It does give you great ideas. I love it how it even tells you how to wear your, you could wear your hair in a messy top knot or a ponytail. So it does give you good ideas. I don't see this item specifically, so it's pretty cool. All right, is there anything else? That's it. That was the last item. All right. So I think this was a pretty fun box. What do you guys think for a lifestyle box? I think these were cute items. Yeah, I like it. I don't think Zena and Wyatt were overly excited about it, but I thought it was pretty cool. I was going to try to look and see if they do talk about the Ahava Hydrating Cream Mask. It says once or twice a week, leave it on all night. That's, okay, so that was this one. So you are supposed to leave this on all night. That's interesting. Yep. Okay. Well, I'm going to have to pay attention to this little book and see if it gives me any more information on any of these items. Thank you so much for spending time with me and my sleepy sidekicks who are officially, oh, Zena just heard me. Now she must know that she is a sleepy sidekick. Maybe she's picked up on that. Or maybe she knows when I say that it might mean it's towards the end of the video and she's ready for some treats. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching and spending time with us. Please consider giving us a like, hitting that subscribe button. If you've already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. Right, Zena? Tell everyone thank you. Thanks so much. Till next time, everybody. Bye. Okay, so I had to come back because I did find what this is. So my mistake. It's a jewelry. It's for jewelry. That's what all those little compartments are for. It's for jewelry. So everything is inside this book if I would pay attention. So this is, the left side is for all the, it's for 8 pairs of earrings from studs to chandelier style and for rings. And then the zipper pouch is for your charms, bracelets, and delicate bands. And then the right side is for the necklaces and, yeah, it's for all the necklaces. They give you examples. And at the bottom, you can put 5 different rings. So check that out. I, for some reason, did not even get that this was for jewelry. That just didn't even cross my mind. So I'm so glad that I was able to find that in the book and share that with you. That's what all of these are for. And they say put rings on there. Yeah, and this one is for, okay, so this was the necklaces. This was for the rings. This was for... This one is for earrings. This is for rings, this top one, and down here is for your charms and bracelets. That is really cool. Okay. And here's an even picture of it being used right here. All right. Sorry I had to pop in and share that with you. Okay, guys, until next time. Bye.